Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I am going to be doing my very first Shein haul. I'm going to do a try on haul for you guys. I know it's my first time ordering from Shein. I'm like 5 years late to the game, but here we are. I ordered a ton of stuff. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. I wanted to try a little bit of everything from Shein. So I did get some jewelry and I did get some of their makeup that's on there. Because like I said, I wanted to try a little bit of everything, and everything is so insanely cheap. I am going to have the prices of everything on the screen. Obviously, everything linked down below. And when it comes to the clothes, I'll also have the sizes and the prices of everything on the screen. First, let's start with the jewelry. I got all of these hoops, silver hoops. I have the hardest time finding cute silver hoops, and these were really, really cheap. These look really cute, and I love that you have all different shapes and sizes, and they're all different kinds of like designs. Like this has some like kind of ropey looking designs, and this has like thicker hoops, pearls. These ones are all falling off, but then you just have your typical silver hoops, some like roped together. Really love that. And then I saw this as I was browsing. It's just a really little cross bracelet. I love cross jewelry. I wear a cross every day. But I just thought this was really, really cute, and I just love having like a stack of bracelets on my arm, so I thought this would be really pretty to add, and it was so stinking cheap. And I got two lip oils. These are supposed to, I guess, be like the Dior ones. This one is in cherry, and then this one is in raspberry. I kind of want to see if they have a smell. Very minty smell. That's cherry. Let's see this one. Yeah, they both have like a very minty scent, not mentholy, just minty. But these are not from Shein brand. They're from Young Vision, and they are called the Lip Glow Oil. Now on to the clothes. The reason for this order was because my job, we had a dress code, and now we don't have a dress code, so we can wear whatever we want. Naturally, I got rid of all my cute clothes, so I wanted to buy some more cute stuff. So I was like, I'll go to Shein. It's cheap, and I can get a lot. I can get a lot of clothes and not be spending a ton of money. So that is the purpose of this haul. So this shirt I actually had on my like wish list for the longest time, and I was gonna get it in black because that was our dress code. But then I saw I can get it in this really pretty blue, so I got it in this color. It looks really cute on, fits absolutely perfect. I love how lightweight this material is. And I like that I can dress it up or dress it down. Next up, I got this really cute color block shirt, and normally I would never get something color block ever, but I wanted to just get something different. I did get some shirts that I would never really purchase for myself ever normally, but I thought this was really cute, and I liked the little color combination, and it's a really nice lightweight material. I'm not wearing the right bra, so don't mind that. But this looks so cute on. It's just a perfect little t-shirt. Again, super lightweight. It'll look really cute if I kind of do one of these like kind of tucks. Super duper cute. Okay, I needed another cheetah print shirt. I got this one, which is your typical cheetah print, but I thought it was really cute. And I did not know that there was buttons on the sleeve. I don't even know if you could tell because yeah, they're right here and right here. I did not see that on the website, but I think it's still really like adorable shirt. I needed another cheetah print shirt to add to my collection. This cheetah print one is also super adorable. I love how it fits. Again, looks really cute. The material is again that really super lightweight. It's like that silky kind of material. I don't know what that's called, so don't come for me, but I think it looks really cute, and like I can lift my arms up easily too, if you guys are wondering. Really cute. Got this really pretty light purple v-neck waffle material shirt. I really just wanted something purple. I don't know, I kind of just tried to get every color that I normally, one, wouldn't really normally buy, and two, I know I don't have in my closet right now. This is a color I never really purchased. I love this purple shirt. Just the problem is it's see-through, which is no big deal because I normally wear a shirt underneath anyways, but it's really cute and it just fits perfectly. Another shirt I would typically never purchase myself is stripes. and I just thought, why not?
Okay, so this shirt is a little more form-fitting than I normally go for, but I still think it looks really cute on. The one thing is, you could tell it's cheaply made because the stripes don't line up, but I don't care because it was like $4. You can't really complain. It's really, really cute though. And again, I would maybe have to wear either a light bra, obviously, or a shirt underneath, which is no big deal.
I don't know why I bought so much pink, but this bubblegum pink square neck, I just thought it was really cute and just a perfect basic kind of shirt.
Is pink my color? I don't know, but I love how the square neck looks with jewelry on. I just think it looks so pretty. Again, this is a little more form-fitting than I'm used to, but I think it looks really, really nice on.
So I always saw shirts like this on Amazon and I thought they were really cute and I just never bought it. So I thought I'd look on Shein and I did find one. It's so cute. It has sequins on the sleeves and a little pocket here. The sequins look really nice.
This is like a perfect t-shirt fit in my opinion. I think this is so cute with the little sequins. This is not itchy at all. I was afraid it was going to feel like a dance costume. It doesn't, and it just looks really, really, really cute on.
Another print that I never really purchase ever is floral, and I don't know why. I just thought this was so pretty. Again, this is another square neck, and I'm just loving the square necks right now. I think they're so cute, and they just look so good on.
I love this. Like, that's all I have to say. I think it's so pretty. It looks so cute on. I love it. Again, this square neck, I think it's so pretty.
I am so excited for this shirt. One, because I love green, and two, baby doll styles are just my favorite, and I think this is so pretty and it feels so nice and soft.
Obviously I would not wear this with shorts, but how cute is this? It is a little see-through, so again I'd have to wear a shirt underneath, but with jeggings or leggings this would look so cute. It's so lightweight and airy. I love this shirt, and I think this one I did size down in, and I'm glad that I did.
This was actually the most expensive one. This was like $13 because it was a pack of 3. So I'm just going to show you, I'll show you the white one because I'm sick of showing you guys pink. But they're just cute little basic tees. They have that waffle, I don't know what that's called, waffle seams or whatever, on the sleeves, on the neck, and at the waist. Super cute. They're very stretchy.
Alright, so this is the pack of 3 shirts. I think they look really cute on. Again, it's a good length, a tad bit see-through, but like I've said multiple times, I normally wear a tank underneath my shirts that are see-through, so it's fine. These are the other colors. I just didn't want to show white or pink because I already showed those colors. So I thought I would show you the black one.
And the last shirt that I got isn't one that I can wear for work, but I saw it on the website and I thought it was so cute. And I do not have a tube top. But I just thought this was so cute. Like, look at the little eyelets, the flowers. I love the color. It's really, really pretty.
And here is the last shirt. I think it looks really, really cute on. The one thing is you can see the strapless bra right here, but you can't even tell because it's the same color as my skin. And who would be looking there, but this is so cute. This would look really cute with jeans, or how I'm wearing it right now with jean shorts. Adorable.
And that is it for my Shein Try On haul. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video because I can definitely do more. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. Leave me video suggestions because I'm drawing a huge brain fart for video suggestions. So let me know what you want to see. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.